everyone, welcome to Kelly's Creative Dream Studios, and today we are talking about Shop Saturday. This is the first Saturday in my new series where I'm going to try for at least every other Saturday to show you what's going into the shop. Today I'm working on fabrics for the Winter Blues fabric collection and the Winter Blues kit. And this is only a small portion of the fabrics that I have to iron. I'm going to keep the dark blues separate from more of the country version colors. And then over here, say hi to Honeybee. Over here I've got them, I'm getting everything ironed so I can cut everything out. And here's what I want. This is going to be a really super short video. I've lost 3 days this week trying to catch up on my sleep. So I'm not having the full flip through today that I wanted. But here's what I want you to think about. I'm looking at putting in 18 to 24 inch strips that are about 2 inches wide. Perfect for belly bands, perfect for making page ruffles, that kind of thing. I'm also looking at 4x6 pieces that you can use horizontally for fabric pockets. You can cut them in half to make flip-ups, fabric flip-ups. You can cut those down into any size you want for whatever you may need. Is there another size that you think would be good for the junk journalers or quilters or whatever? These are all good quality fabrics that are at least 20 years old. So they've all been washed. I'm getting them ironed up today and I'm going to start cutting. So if you would leave me a comment down below giving me size suggestions. I'm working on the Winter Blues kits. Next Saturday, I hope to show you a complete flip through of what went into the shop and how I'm thinking of using them. And then later, the following Saturday, we will be talking about the pinks and reds for February. So that's my video for today. I know it's short and sweet, but I just wanted to work on this today and get your input. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you know when new videos go up. And I will see you back here tomorrow for Stampin' Up! Sunday. Creative blessings.